Plus500 is a CFD broker, and so the recent regulations set out by ESMA have impacted them. If you haven't heard about the regulations, I suggest you go and watch the video that I've done on it. You'll find the link in the description box below. Apart from dramatically decreasing leverage options, ESMA has also demanded that brokers clearly state the percentage of traders that lose their money trading CFDs. With Plus500, that's 80.6% of traders, but the good news is ESMA has protected against negative balances, so you can't lose more than you put in. Okay, so Plus500 is taking full advantage of all the leverage that they can get. Considering they used to offer traders leverage of up to 300, they can now only offer the maximum that ESMA allows, which is 2-to-1 for cryptos, 20-to-1 for commodities and indices, 30-to-1 for currency pairs, and 5-to-1 for options, shares, and ETFs. They offer 81 ETFs, 10 cryptocurrencies, 64 currency pairs, 26 indices, 20 commodities, and a large range of options and shares. Overall, there are approximately 2,000 instruments to trade. With that being said, there is not much in the line of educational offerings. The only tool we found useful was the economic calendar, where you can see all the different countries' data releases and their expected impact on the market. However, the economic calendar is not exclusive to Plus500. You can find this elsewhere too. The company itself has been around for 10 years and are able to offer a lot of their services for free, such as conversion fees, deposits, and withdrawals, although there is a limit of 5 free withdrawals a month. After that, Plus500 charge a fee of $10 per withdrawal. They do, however, charge overnight weekend fees and inactivity fee of $10 if you don't log into the platform for more than 3 months. But those fees can absolutely be avoided. The only fee that you have to pay is the spread, which is the difference between the buy and sell price. All brokers charge this, but the spread varies between brokers. Plus500 have considerably tight spreads for most assets, 0.06 to 2 pips. When you open a new position, it's always going to be in the red because it has to overcome those first few pips before starting to make a profit. With that being said, you can begin trading with as little as $100. Plus500 offer a guaranteed stop, which means that in volatile situations, you can set your stop loss and your position will be closed even if the price drops sharply and rapidly. For example, Apple's buy price is $210 a share. You decide to buy 10 shares with a guaranteed stop order set at $180, and the stop order spread costs $10 because guaranteed stops mean a larger spread price, just like an insurance premium would cost more as well. Well, let's assume that Apple shares fell at the speed of lightning to $120. Well, that's okay because you've used the guarantee stop order at $180 a share. So unfortunately, you've lost $300, but had you not used the guaranteed stop, you would have lost triple that amount. Now let's look at the user interface. It's actually quite straightforward. There's a trade section where you can find all the assets to trade. You can see all your open positions in the section then below. In the order section, you can see your trading history. And in the closed position section, you can obviously see all your closed positions. Then the last tab is used when you want to switch from demo to real trading. Now in the main section, you can find the economic calendar and you can also set up alerts. For example, if you want to buy Euro US dollar when it touches 115, you can set it up that you receive an email, an SMS, or a push notification so you don't miss that opportunity, which is actually a cool feature. What's missing from the platform is any news section with fundamental news or analyst recommendations. This suggests that this platform is not suitable for complete beginners. An important point to make is that Plus500 are not down with scalpers. Basically, if your strategy is to open and close trades in 2 minutes or under, your account will be blocked. So if scalping is your style, then Plus500 is not for you. You can trade via web and mobile apps on both iOS and Android. In terms of the platform, they use their own proprietary platform as well as WebTrader. Traders cannot trade directly from MetaTrader 4. And be aware that trading in some locations are restricted. And if you need to withdraw those profits fast, don't count on it. It can take anywhere up to 7 business days to get the money. Nevertheless, customer service is around 24/7 via live chat and email, and they are pretty prompt at getting back to you in 16 different languages. So there should be absolutely no problem with communication. So, to wrap up, the pros then are tight spreads, no extra fees if you pay attention to the rules, and all the fees can be avoided. Customer service 24/7 and an easy to use platform. The cons then are no information or learning tools for newbies, no telephone customer support, no US traders allowed, and absolutely no scalping. Well, that is it for the moment. Happy trading and see you next time.